Okay, so here is my 2002 A6 Audi, and I've been experiencing flooding on the inside of my car. I'll show you here in this area here. As you can see, the water, this is actually minimal because at one point I had about 4 inches of water in the back seat footwell. The water comes from this area here and then just seeps down. This is minor in comparison to what has happened before. So I went on the blogs and found an awesome video about this plug, this piss poor designed plug underneath the hood. And the plug is located underneath the battery compartment. So of course, lift the hood, take the sheath off. That's this thing here. And get some tools out and take the cover. Of course, that requires a wrench. You can see the bolts here and there. And as you can see, I have my plug clogged with leaves, dirt, debris, etc. I don't know why Audi did this, but this was stupid. And apparently I'm not the only one with this problem. So we're going to try to vacuum all of this stuff out and wait for another rainy day and see what happens.